Are you searching for free orange equipment? The Arena Shop has what you need. But how can we obtain it quickly? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the arena, discussing the rewards enhancing the formation, and tips for earning better rewards. Rewards. Arena offers both daily and weekly rewards. The weekly reward is referred to as the tally reward. The reward items include honor points, rubies, orange fragments, and books. We can use honor points in the Arena Shop to purchase essential items without spending real money. One of the most attractive items is the Orange Equipment Choice Box, which costs 12,500 honor points. This box allows us to select a piece of orange equipment for any faction. Rewards are distributed based on your ranking at the end of the countdown. You must accumulate arena points by defeating other players in arena challenges to improve your rank. If you were defeated, you would lose some arena points. You have 5 free challenges each day, and you can buy additional attempts using rubies. Keep in mind that the cost of extra attempts will increase with each purchase. Additionally, your chances will reset after the timer ends, so use all your challenges before that time runs out to avoid wasting them. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Combat Power. We can use Combat Power as a guide to predict the outcomes of the challenge. Choosing an opponent with a lower CP typically ensures a victory. There are several ways to improve the CP, and we can analyze them from the battle report. They include the modified vehicle and its parts, tech research, heroes, equipment, and troop level and capacity. Troop capacity is crucial. Having more troops in your formation significantly enhances your CP. The most substantial boost to troop capacity comes from the military center, which provides an additional 2,900 capacity when upgraded to level 22. Be sure to prioritize this upgrade once your watchtower is leveled up. Position. By comparing their attack and defense attributes, heroes can be categorized as tankers, strikers, and hybrids. Hero with high defense, such as Quinn, is a tanker. She can tank more damage but deal lesser damage than striker and hybrid. We should position the tanker in the front row. A striker like Guy has a higher attack attribute and can deal more damage but is quickly killed due to a lesser defense. The striker should be placed in the back row. A hero with a balanced attack and defense attribute is a hybrid who can fit in the front or back row. Here's an example of how we position our heroes. Tips. If you're not a high spender or among the top players, your ranking will likely be surpassed by others with higher combat power. One strategy to secure a higher ranking is to complete challenges at the last minute. Instead of finishing the challenge early, aim to complete it within the last 10 minutes of the countdown. This approach reduces the likelihood of being pushed down in the rankings. If you need to make additional attempts to improve your rank, consider purchasing them with rubies. A higher ranking awards more honor points and helps us acquire orange equipment more quickly. Let's strive to reach at least the top 100. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.